Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today let's make a birthday banner with the PicsArt application on mobile phone. Open your PicsArt application and then wait until the application is perfectly open in your mobile phone here. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this plus button, or you can just go tap into the search button here, a birthday. And then you just need to wait until everything is perfectly loaded, and then you just need to find the banner or replay that you want to use here, and then just go tap it. And the next you just need to go like this, choose my photo, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to use, and then you just need to go tap next, and then again tap next. Or if you want to customize the picture, you just need to go back again, make sure that the picture is coming up into the whole frame here. Or you can also do it with this one, and go click next and next, and then you already got this all. And right after you're done, you just need to go tap into this save to apply, or you can edit everything on the screen here just to make sure that the information is perfectly added into this banner. And if you want to add more photo, just tap into this add photo and then add more photo about your friends that having a birthday here, and then place them into this specific area that you want to. And now you are done. So that's the way how you can create a birthday banner easily with a PicsArt. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.